go to Features and select Revolved Boss. Axis of revolution, select the center line. OK. Now we can go to the whole wizard, drop-down menu, and select Thread. So what is saying here, the thread tool type and size profiles, here it means do not use them for production quality threads. To create production quality threads, modify the nominal profiles to meet your design requirements. So what is saying here, we cannot use them in production to manufacture threads. In reality, this is just for cosmetic, to do a presentation and stuff like that. So press OK. Select this line here. Size. In size, we can go to the datasheet here and it says M16 times 2LH. It means the pitch. The pitch, it has to be 2. Up to selection. And here you can select this line here and select extrude thread. OK. Right. Click on the part 1. Click one more time and give a name of handle. Enter. Rebuild, save the document. And if you see this traffic light icon here, you go and select rebuild. Right. Select save, save all, save externally.